Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to change your age on TikTok, then you are at right place. So this option is not available to change your date of birth, so we have to contact customer support in order to change our date of birth. So how you can do it is simply you have to click on these three lines and then you have to click on settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll down and you will see this option report a problem. Then you have to click on account and profile. Here you have to click on manage account. Not on manage account, you have to click on editing profile. And here you have to see, you will see that there are a lot of options, but the changing age option is not available, so you have to click on other. Here you have to click on no, and then you have to click on need more help. Here you have to write that I want to change my TikTok age because I did this by mistake. Please help me to change my date of birth. Thanks. Okay, so after writing this, you have to click on submit. So your feedback is submitted and you will and TikTok will contact you if more information is needed. So you have to wait for few seconds. As you can see, the case is open, so let's wait and see what's happened next. So this is the only way you can change your age on TikTok, by requesting customer support. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.